everyone. I'm Anshi Suliwong. I am studying in English major at Panakkot Rajabhat University. I am second year student. Today, I'm going to talk about the two consonant sounds. It is S sound and C sound. It is S and Z. For example, zoo, zoo, zip, zip, zebra, sea, zone, zone, fuzzy, fussy. These sounds are formed in the front part of the tongue on the alveolar ridge, which is the last bony ridge immediately behind the upper teeth. These are initial sounds in the zip and zip. The symbol for these sounds S and Z.
Zoo, zebra, zone, and fuzzy. Zip, zoo, sea, soon, fussy.